update on my Suzuki GSXR Slingshot. I got the bike last year. I did upload a video when I first got the bike, but I just never got around to making another video about it. But yeah, it's been over a year now I've had this bike. I love the thing, to be honest. It's been awesome. Let's go around the bike. So yeah, it's a 1989 GSXR Slingshot 750 K model. So as I was saying, I've had the bike just over a year now. It's been through 2 MOTs successfully. What can I say? It's just a fine machine, to be honest. I haven't had any issues with this bike. I've ridden it through the winter, summer, and this thing has not let me down in any way, shape or form. Obviously it's the early air-cooled model, so there's no cooling system other than the air hitting that oil cooler on the front there. Very basic, which is what drew me to the bike initially. I like basic technology. I like to know where I stand with things, what's going on, how to fix them, and all the rest of it. Yeah, it's just a fantastic bike. Let's have a little walk around. In the year I've owned the bike, I haven't really done much to it. You can probably see in my first video that I basically picked the bike up from a guy that had it in a shed for 15 years. The shed eventually leaked too much and then the floor gave way, so this bike, and I believe he had a ZX 750 Kawasaki as well, they both fell through the floor, and it was at that point when the guy thought, right, I need to sell these bikes. So this one popped up on eBay last year. I was looking for a little while for a Slingshot, and this one just ticks all the boxes for me, really. It was all the right colours. It already was Street Fightered as such. It's already got the riser bar conversion, which is really, really awesome and comfortable. Sorry about the noise here, kind of next to a motorway. I thought it would be quiet here. But yeah, the only thing really notable that I have done to this bike is paint the wheels white. They were grey, but the paint was all flaking off where it just from sat for years in a damp shed, so the paint was flaking off. Paint the wheels white. Also, I did a rear wheel conversion from an 1100 WN model. It had the stock wheel size was 4.5 inches, running a 160 tyre. It was alright, but I thought I wanted to change the look up a little bit, and I thought it would look better with the 5.5 inch rim and the 180 tyre, which, to be honest, I personally think looks fantastic. Huge improvement, and handling wise, I would say it's improved the handling. It's still got its agility, excellent grip through the corners. It's great. So yeah, if anyone wants me to make a video on how I did this wide rear wheel conversion on the Slingshot, just drop it in the comments, and I can go over exactly what I did, exactly what was needed to do the conversion, and yeah, it was pretty straightforward, really. Obviously got a new sprocket and chain for the MOT, which I've just done. Just passed through its MOT a couple of weeks ago, actually. Finally, we've got some beautiful weather here. Sunny England. Long time coming. We've had a pretty long winter, but now. We can finally enjoy ourselves. So yeah, it's the bike. Those guys are having fun, but yeah, I will upload a little clip of the bike running, maybe even a picture of a clip of me riding the bike, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.